Students, today we will discuss about accounting for not-for-profit making organizations. There are some organizations whose main motive is not to earn profit but render some valuable and welfare service to the society and to the nation. For example, charitable hospitals, orphanages, schools, colleges, libraries, clubs, and all such type of organizations. स्टूडेंट्स, अपने यहाँ कई सारे ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं जिनकी मेन मोटिव प्रॉफिट अर्निंग नहीं है, जैसे कि स्कूल का एग्जांपल, कॉलेजेस, लाइब्रेरीज, चैरिटेबल हॉस्पिटल्स और ऑर्फेनेज, ये सभी हम इसके एग्जांपल्स ले सकते हैं। Although the main motive is not profit earning, however, such organizations prepare their financial statements, and under financial statements they prepare their receipts and payments account and income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Today I will discuss about receipts and payments account. The format of receipts and payments account, see here, it has two sides, debit side and credit side. Debit side is receipt side and credit side is payment side. Receipt and payments account is a real account, and the rules of real account is followed here. Debit work comes in and credit work goes out. It starts with the opening balance of cash or bank to balance between cash and bank, and it ends with the closing balance of cash or bank by balance sheet. Carry down cash balance and bank balance. And at the receipt side, we record all cash receipts, and at the payment side, we record all cash payments. In receipt side, we record revenue, receipts, and capital receipts. Capital receipts. Revenue receipts means amount realized from the day-to-day affairs or from the day-to-day activities, and capital receipt means amount realized from sale of fixed asset. In the same way, at the payment side, we will record by revenue payments and capital payments. Capital payments. Revenue payments means amount paid for the day-to-day affairs, and capital payments means amount spent on acquiring fixed assets. The main source of income or source of revenue for not-for-profit making organization is subscription. See here, subscription, subscriptions, previous year, current year, and next year. Next year, we record all subscriptions, whether it is related to previous year, or it is related to current year, or it is related to next year. And other some revenue receipts may be entrance fees, general donation, and other capital receipts. Under capital receipts, specific donation, legacies, tournament fund, match fund, etc. In the same way, at the payment side, under revenue payments, salaries, rent, postage, honorarium, all these are revenue payments, and all revenue payments, whether it is related to previous year or current year or next year, will be shown here. And capital payments means acquiring fixed asset like furniture, like machinery, like computer, and building. Friends, students, preparation of receipts and payments account is very simple. We record all cash receipts, whether it is revenue receipt or capital receipt, whether it is related to previous year or current year or next year at the receipt side. And at the payment side, we record all cash payments, whether revenue payments or capital payments, whether it is related to previous year or current year or next year. We have to remember one thing, that we do not record non-cash transactions in receipts and payments account, like outstanding expenses, like depreciation. These items are not recorded under receipts and payments account because there is no transaction of cash.